Hello again guys, in this quick video I'll show you how to save Snapchat photos in album. But before that, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and once connected, just simply open your Snapchat application. Then once you are here in your Snapchat application, just simply swipe or move your screen up, and then you will see here your snaps, your camera roll, your stories. If you want to download that specific snaps, just tap this, and you can see here at the upper right corner the three small dots here. Just tap this, and from this option just choose export or send snap. Then here in this share to option, just move your screen or move going to left, and you will see here the download option. Just download this and just wait to export that snap. Then after that, the snap was being exported, just go to your gallery and you will see here in your photos the downloaded photo of your Snapchat. Okay, that's it guys on how to save Snapchat photos in your album. Thank you for watching and keep following for more video tips. Thank you guys.